Let's explore volcanoes and earthquakes.
Hi friends, I'm Rocky the Earth, and this is my fiery buddy, Vinny the Volcano. Ready for 20 super fun facts that make the Earth shake and boom? Did you know volcanoes can make brand new land? I built islands with lava. Shh, most volcanoes are hiding underwater. I shake a little every day. Earthquakes happen all the time. My lava can zoom downhill faster than you can run!
The biggest volcano on Earth is taller than Mount Everest, but it's underwater.
Big earthquakes release energy stronger than bombs.
Volcano eruptions can create lightning in the sky. Yes, volcanic lightning. When I erupt, I can make lightning in the sky. Zap!
My crust is cracked into giant puzzle pieces called tectonic plates.
Not all lava is red. Some are black, orange, or even glowing blue. Some earthquakes don't warn us at all. Surprise!
My ash can fly across countries.
Whoosh! The Ring of Fire is my most active zone. Lots of shakes and eruptions. Earthquakes can bend rivers into new paths.
Big eruptions can cool the planet by blocking sunlight.
Sometimes the ground turns squishy like jelly.
Some volcanoes nap for hundreds of years, then wake up.
Underwater earthquakes can make giant waves called tsunamis.
Magma comes from deep inside me, super hot. Some volcanoes erupt ice instead of lava. Brrr. The Earth never stops moving, even right now.
Wow, the Earth is awesome!
Follow us for more fun facts and adventures. See you next Shake!